This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing Boing. Gerald McBoing Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog he never barks, but watch out when he barks. Gerald McBoing Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Hey! This is the bathroom!
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is a story about friends who went shopping. They shopped and they shopped and showed no signs of stopping.
I'll take that and this and that. Thank you.
When those two tired friends stumbled to the last store, they saw things they'd never seen on sale before. There were thingamajigs and bright bric-a-brac, too, a shiny gold lamp, and a carpet that flew. And although the sign said,
Do not touch, we insist.
he found that gold lamp just too hard to resist.
I'll be careful, really.
He looked at the lamp and the note on the top.
If you're thinking of rubbing this lamp, we'll just stop.
Maybe you should just leave it.
This lamp is the kind I have searched for so long. I'll just give it one rub. Really, what could go wrong?
Oh, boy. Well, what'd you expect? A genie to pop out and grant you 3 wishes?
These lamps are on sale, and now I see why. They're not magic at all.
And then someone said,
Ah!
there. Do I get 3 wishes by any chance?
No, of course not. You've picked my gold lamp, and now that you've tried it, you must spend your life living inside it.
How about only 2 wishes?
The genie, he trapped him, then flew off to the sky.
Hey, bring him back, you Genie Meanie guy. I need some help, and I need it right now. I have to get that golden lamp back, but how?
Then she heard a sound coming from far, far away. Her sound-making friend, he would come save the day.
We must catch that genie. We must catch him fast. Our friend's stuck in the lamp. Just how long can he last?
To make that rug fly faster, he knew what to do. With an engine in place, wow, that rug really flew. When they got to the mountain, the genie was saying,
For the rest of your life, this is where you'll be staying. For the next 100 years, here is where you'll be stuck. Oh, you've done me a big favor. Goodbye, and good luck!
Can we talk about this?
the genie loved treasure, but he heard a tweet, tweet.
I love little birdies. Their sound is so sweet.
Locked in that lamp for so many years, those birdie tweet tweets were a song to his ears.
Oh, birdies, where are you?
Let's get that lamp and scram.
Want to be with your friend? I have lamps for you too. I'll put you inside them. That's just what I'll do.
With his magic, that mean genie tried to attack, but our sound-making friend bounced that magic right back. So their friend was let out, and the genie went in.
I would thank you, but I don't know where to begin.
So when it comes to lamps, every buyer, beware. You just never know if there's a genie in there.
Woohoo!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Excuse me.
Hey, did you hear that? That's the Stony Biscuits, my most favorite rock and roll band ever. I always wanted to be a rock star. Oh, I'm playing air guitar. I just get so into the music. I just make like I'm playing along. Kid, you're good. Want to join us for a song? Why not? Come on, Gerald. I've always wanted to be a rock star. Now this is your chance. I'll wait here and watch. You want me to come up with you? And jam with my most favorite band in the entire world? All right, rock and roll! Smile and look at the camera.
You mean like this?
No, only one at a time. I don't take group pictures.
Aww.
Okay, on 3. Say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Not boing boing. Cheese. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese! No, no, no! This is all wrong! You must say cheese! I am the photographer! I command you to say cheese, cheese, cheese!
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boing, boing.
Guess the sound.
Sound check.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McBoing. They all play a part in this world of pretend. But the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of kids you might know who lived with the dinosaurs long, long ago. They didn't have houses or schools or TV. They lived in stone caves and got food from a tree. These cave children were happy. Their lives were just grand until a dark shadow washed over the land. A terrible T-Rex, a huge dinosaur, came running and let out a terrible roar. That dino knocked down everything left and right. Soon there wasn't a tree or a rock left in sight.
We must stop that T-Rex. We must stop him right now.
We must stop him from knocking things over, but how?
Meanwhile, in a cave that was carved from a stone, a sound-making cave kid was sitting alone. He was practicing sounds, which he did now and then, the of a cow and the of a hen. But when he heard roaring, he knew right away that a big, angry T-Rex was ready to play.
That T-Rex is smiling. He's not all that tough.
Let's play with him then. He won't crush all our stuff. Dodgeball! Let's play dodgeball!
But when they started to play Dodge the Dinosaur Ball, that T-Rex could not catch the ball. Not at all. They tried playing tennis. And then one friend said,
maybe he should try dino dancing instead.
The more they tried teaching that dinosaur grace, the more things got broken all over the place.
Maybe our friend doesn't need dancing classes. Maybe our friend needs big dinosaur glasses.
That T-Rex couldn't see clearly, but boy, when he did, the first person he saw was that sound-making kid. Now everyone's happy as can be, and that T-Rex is happy because he can see. Even dinosaurs need some help once in a while, and now that T-Rex, he just can't help but smile.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
What's wrong? Oh, everything. I've got to come up with a new way to play this song, but I just can't find the right sound. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful, Gerald. But the orchestra is counting on me to do this. Thanks anyway, sweetie.
Honey, Gerald, honey, come quick. You have got to see this. Watch this. Now every time the door opens or closes, it makes a sound. This way we always know when someone is coming or going. What you think? Now you're getting it. Hey, that's a great idea, Gerald. We should have a door chime on that door, too. Yeah, great idea. Let's put one on the hallway closet. The kitchen cabinets, too? Why not? We could add a door chime to everything that opens, each one chiming a different chime.
Oh, I'm never gonna figure out a new way to play this piece.
Honey, you really gotta see this. Open something. Go ahead. Open anything.
You didn't.
We did. We put door chimes on everything. What do you think?
What do I think? I think you've solved my problem. Listen. That's it. A perfect new way to play my song.
Perfect song and perfect toast.
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Boing, 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 boing!